In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Shopify coming soon page. So what we're going to do first is, of course, go over here on the left side, select the online store option. Over here, you will be able to see that there's an option to create a page. Simply create a page, click on pages, and wait for it to load. And we're going to be creating, or the first step of what we're doing is in this part over here. So simply click on add page, and we're going to be naming it as coming soon, of course, because we're going to be creating a coming soon page. So coming soon, there we go. If you want to add some information over here, you could add, depends on you, but for me, I'm not going to add one. So simply click on save. And after that, what we're going to do next is we're going to go to our navigation. We're going to edit our main menu over here. We're going to add a menu item and click on this part over here. Simply select pages and click on coming soon. Click on add. And after that, we're going to click on our online store. But we're going to have to save it first, of course. Click to themes. Then after that, you're going to click on customize. Now in this part, this is where we will be customizing the appearance of that specific page. So simply click on the home page over here on the top. Click on pages. Click on the default page. And we're actually going to edit the coming soon over here. And there we go, we have this. So what you're going to do is you're going to look over here on the left side, you have the template part, which is basically the body. So what you're going to do is you're going to upload the image of the product that you have over here. Simply say the title of the product. And put in the description, of course. And we're going to get rid of the button because this is something that is coming soon. So we don't need the button. We don't need something that would mistake or would allow our viewers to be mistaken that it will or it is available for sale right away. So what you're going to do this is simply upload the photo that you have over here of the product that you want to have as coming soon. Then you have here the description, of course. Then you could add more block. You could add section. You could add either image banner, slideshow, collage. You could use collage. I think collage is the better choice for this one. You can simply upload the image of your product and they will be able to see like the coming soon product through this method. And after that, you can simply click on save. And once they preview this, let's wait for it to save. Click on view. And we will be able to see the preview of our updated store so that we can check out if we were able to implement it properly. As you can see here in our main menu, we have coming soon is available over here. Simply select it. And you will be able to see like coming soon products that you have. And like I mentioned earlier, put the product images that you have over here on the image part of the website. And that's basically it. If you enjoyed this video, guys, consider leaving a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.